From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, the universe is brimming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Science is more than just formulas and equations. It's a journey of exploration, a constant reminder that the reality we inhabit is far stranger and more magnificent than we could ever imagine. And today we're embarking on a thrilling expedition to uncover some of the universe's most incredible secrets. Science is weird, wonderful, and often completely mind-blowing. Today, we're diving into 10 shocking science facts that will change how you see the world. Have you ever tried to imagine water existing as a solid, a liquid, and a gas, all at the same time? It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a very real phenomenon known as the triple point. Under very specific conditions of temperature and pressure, water can actually defy our everyday expectations and exist in all three states simultaneously. Imagine a glass container with a precise amount of water inside. As we lower the pressure and carefully adjust the temperature, something incredible happens. The water begins to boil, even as ice forms on the surface, and a wispy layer of water vapor fills the container. This triple point, where water performs its magical act, occurs at a precise temperature of 0.01 degrees Celsius, and a pressure about 100 times lower than what we experience at sea level. It's a rare occurrence in nature, but scientists can recreate it in laboratories, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary behavior of this seemingly simple molecule we call water. We often associate glowing with fireflies, jellyfish, or perhaps those glow-in-the-dark stickers we loved as children. But what if I told you that you, yes you, emit a faint glow? It's true. Humans, like many living organisms, possess a fascinating ability called bioluminescence, meaning we emit a very subtle light that's invisible to the naked eye. This ethereal glow emanates from our cells as they carry out the essential functions of life. Scientists have developed specialized cameras capable of capturing this faint human glow, revealing subtle patterns and variations throughout the day, and across different parts of the body. While we might not be illuminating the night sky anytime soon, the fact that our bodies emit light speaks to the remarkable complexity and interconnectedness of life's processes. Bananas, those ubiquitous yellow fruits we often enjoy for breakfast or as a quick snack, harbor a surprising secret. They're slightly radioactive. The reason behind this radioactive reputation lies in the presence of potassium-40, a naturally occurring radioactive isotope of potassium in bananas. Potassium is an essential mineral for all living things, and it exists in various forms, or isotopes, some of which are radioactive. Bananas happen to contain a slightly higher concentration of potassium-40 compared to other fruits, earning them the title of the most radioactive fruit. You would need to consume roughly 10 million bananas at once to experience any adverse effects from the radiation, so rest assured that enjoying this potassium-rich fruit is perfectly safe and won't turn you into a superhero, or a supervillain for that matter. Beneath the Earth's crust, hidden from our view, lies a vast reservoir of water that dwarfs all the oceans on the surface combined. This subterranean sea, trapped within a layer of rock called the mantle, is a mind-boggling discovery that challenges our understanding of Earth's water cycle and its potential to support life in unexpected places. The existence of this hidden ocean was confirmed through a combination of seismic studies, laboratory experiments, and the analysis of a rare mineral called ringwoodite. While we can't sail on this underground ocean or dive to its depths, its presence has profound implications for our planet. Consider this. Every atom in your body, from the iron in your blood to the calcium in your bones, was once part of a star that exploded billions of years ago. The story begins in the fiery hearts of stars, where intense heat and pressure forge lighter elements like hydrogen and helium into heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, the very building blocks of life. When these stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in spectacular supernovae, scattering these newly formed elements across the cosmos. Over eons, these stellar remnants coalesced under the force of gravity, forming new stars, planets, and eventually, you and me. Water, the elixir of life, seems harmless enough, but what happens when this seemingly innocuous liquid encounters certain metals? Chaos, that's what. Some metals like sodium and potassium react violently with water, producing explosions that can be quite dangerous. This explosive behavior stems from the unique chemical properties of these alkali metals. When they encounter water, a flurry of electron exchanges takes place, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the form of heat and light. The reaction produces hydrogen gas which ignites explosively in the presence of oxygen. The explosive reaction between alkali metals and water serves as a dramatic reminder of the powerful forces at play in the chemical world. When we think of the coldest places in the universe, our minds often wander to the vast emptiness of interstellar space or the frigid surfaces of distant planets. However, the coldest temperature ever recorded wasn't found in the depths of the cosmos but rather in a laboratory right here on Earth. Scientists, using cutting-edge techniques involving lasers and magnetic fields, managed to cool a cloud of atoms to a mind-bogglingly low temperature, just a fraction of a degree above absolute zero. Achieving such ultra-low temperatures allows scientists to probe the fundamental nature of matter and explore quantum phenomena that occur only in these extreme conditions. Imagine a planet where the skies are not filled with fluffy clouds and gentle raindrops but instead with swirling shards of molten glass, driven sideways by howling winds at thousands of miles per hour. That's the reality on HD 189733b, a gas giant located about 63 light-years from Earth. The atmosphere of HD 189733b is thought to contain silicon dioxide, the main component of glass. At these extreme temperatures, the silicon dioxide vaporizes and forms clouds high in the atmosphere. As these clouds are whipped around the planet by supersonic winds, they condense into tiny droplets of molten glass, which rain down upon the planet's surface in a deadly downpour. Time, that relentless river seemingly flowing at a constant pace, is not as straightforward as we might perceive. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not absolute but rather relative to the observer's frame of reference. One of the fascinating implications of this theory is that time actually moves slightly faster at higher altitudes compared to lower altitudes. Since gravity weakens as we move farther away from the Earth's center, time runs a tiny bit faster on mountaintops compared to its sea level. The concept of time dilation might seem like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a very real consequence of Einstein's groundbreaking theory. In an era of supercomputers and artificial intelligence, it's easy to be awestruck by the processing power of machines. However, the most extraordinary computing device on Earth resides not in a server farm, but within the confines of our own skulls, the human brain. This 3-pound organ, a marvel of biological engineering, is capable of performing an astounding number of calculations per second, far exceeding the capabilities of even the most advanced supercomputers. The human brain, with its remarkable processing power, adaptability, and capacity for creativity, remains one of the most enigmatic and awe-inspiring entities in the cosmos. From the bizarre behavior of water to the mind-boggling power of the human brain, we've journeyed through a cosmic landscape of astonishing facts and mind-blowing discoveries. The universe is brimming with mysteries, and every answer we uncover leads to even more profound questions, fueling our insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop being amazed by the extraordinary world we inhabit. And there you have it. 10 shocking science facts that prove our universe is stranger than fiction. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more amazing content.